My dear friend, I am an author. I have written so many books. One of this book is The Venomous Fangs of the Cobra. Where is my book? Yes. This is my book, Venomous Fangs of Cobra, published on the Rudra publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. This book, this book exposed the Islamic Gunism throughout in Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, and the Iran, and the Iraq, etc. As we are well aware that the Muhammad who was born in Mecca or Petra, the southern part of the Saudi Arabia, southern part of the Jordan, he was born in 600 AD, 570 AD, and declared himself as a prophet of the Allah in 610 AD, and he proclaimed as a prophet, and he was the greatest liar who told that I am the last prophet of the Islam, though there is no another prophet in Islam except Muhammad. But Muhammad stolen all the prophets from the Judaism and the Christianity, and their name converted as a Arabic language, and Ibrahim, Moses, Musa, David, Daud, Jesus, Isa, Mary Virgin, Maryam, and etc. So, the base of the Islam on the greatest lies of the Prophet Muhammad in the fallacy, so-called Prophet Muhammad in the fallacy of Allah, fake Allah, which was created by Muhammad in 600 AD. So, today we will discuss how the Islam is spread in the Saudi Arabia. When Muhammad was dragged out from Mecca from his untoward habits against the humanity and the social values, he fled away to the Medina, but there was no danger of his life and his companion lives, because there were only 84 supporters of Muhammad when he was fled away from Mecca to Medina, known as Hijrat. This is not the pilgrimage. This is the migration is known as Hijrat in Arabic language. So there is no rocket science to suppose this was a very holy journey, but this was a journey of so-called prophet who was a greatest liar among the all people throughout the world. So when Muhammad went to Medina, and he held so many swords, horses, and armed ammunition with the help of the vagabonds of the Medina. First companions were the vagabond of the Medina. They had no work for them except they are the certified robbers, goons, vagabonds, or unsocial elements to the society, and they converted as Islam after learning the Muhammad in the name of the Allah, and they are known as the Ansar, the first Muslims of the Medina, known as the Ansar, or mostly they were converted from the Judaism. And after that, when he took sword in his hand, the main function of the Muhammad was looting the caravans of the non-Muslim, especially the Jews, because Jews were rich, and Muhammad was also was born in a Jew family. His forefathers were not the Muslims. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib was the manager of the Kaaba, which was full of the 360 idols, and all the polytheists and the pagans were worshipping in that Kaaba three main goddess, that is Allah, Al-Manat and Al-Uzza, and one god, the Hubbal, was the prime respected god and goddess to the polytheist. But when Muhammad took the sword, he was frustrated with these polytheists and pagans, because due to these pagans and the polytheists, Muhammad was not successful in Medina, Makkah, to spread the Islam, which is the fallacy of the Allah, or the greatest lies of the Muhammad known as the Islam, and the greatest lies of the verses of Quran, that these had been sent by the Muhammad to the Muhammad by the Jibril from the Allah. This is a greatest lies, among the greatest lies, that the Jibril was not belong to the Islam, but that was the Gabriel, which were described in the books of the Judaism and the Christianity, the Old Testament Bible. So Muhammad is starting to robbery of the wealth and killing the non-Muslims in the name of the Allah, and the robbery certified in Islam as a Malik Ganimat, and 20% uh, uh, 20% of this robbery was taken by this Muhammad, so-called self-proclaimed prophet. So this is why Saudi Arabia became a Muslim country due to the Gunism of the Muhammad by the swords, and all the Jews, mostly Jews, converted to Islam because they were the businessmen, not the warriors and not the goons, but the goons of the Muhammad companions known as the Islamic goons captured the Arabia, Iraq, Iran, and so many parts of Misr, Syria, Lebanon by this Gunism, because they surrendered. They had surrendered before the army of the Muhammad, full of the goons, vagabonds, and the bad character people. So now we would like to say that how Islam is spread in Afghanistan. During the 7th century, the Rashidun Caliphate Arabs entered the territory that is now Afghanistan after defeating the Sassanid Persian Nihavand. Sassanians were the Persian. And after Sassanid, the Muhammad army or Muhammad follower took the Persia, now as known as the Iran, in the hand of the Muslim goons. After the colonial defeat, the last Sassanid Empire, Yazdegerd III fled eastward deep into Central Asia. In pursuing Yazdegerd, the Arabs entered the area of northeastern Iran and via Herat, where they stationed a large portion of their army before advancing toward northern Afghanistan, which this northern Afghanistan had the majority of the uh, Parsi or the Zoroastrians. Many of the inhabitants of northern Afghanistan accepted Islam through Umayyad missionary efforts, particularly under the reign of the Caliph Hisham and Umar ibn Abdul Aziz. In the south, Abdul Rahman bin Samara made incursions into Jabulistan, which were ruled by the Junbils. During the reign of the Al-Mutasim and his successor, Islam was generally practiced by the most inhabitants of the region, and after Abbasid decline under Yaqub Layth Safari, Islam was the prominent religion of the Kabul and other major cities of Afghanistan. The father of Abu Hanifa, Tabit bin Juta, was born in the territory that is now Afghanistan. He immigrated to Kufa in Iraq, where Hanifa was born. Later, the Samanids propagated Sunni Islam deep into Central Asia, and the first complete translation of the Quran into Persian was made in the 9th century. Since then, Islam has dominated the country's religious landscape. Islamic leaders have entered the political sphere at various times of crisis, but rarely exercised secular authority for long, because Islam is not a secular. Islam is a Gunism against the civil society. The remnants of the Shahi prince in Peshawar was expelled by the Mahmud of Ghaznavi in 1998 and 130. The Ghaznavidis were replaced by the Ghuri dynasty, who expanded the already powerful Islamic empire. The Friday Mosque of Herat is one of the oldest mosques in the country, believed to have been first built under the Ghurids means Gauri, Muhammad Gauri. In the 12th century, during this period known as Islamic Golden Age, Afghanistan became the second major center of learning the Muslim world after Baghdad. Means where the stupids are the living, Islam will spread very rapidly due to the brainwashed people. After the Mongol invasion and destruction, the Timurids rebuilt the area once again, made it center of Islamic learning. Shia Islam made its way to southern Afghanistan during the Safavid rule in the 16th century under Mir Wais Hotak, liberated the Afghan in 1709. The Kandahar region of Afghanistan was often battleground between the Shia Safavids and the Sunni Mughals. So Islam was belong to not in the Saudi Arabia, but very few people were the Muslim at the time of Muhammad. But Afghanistan, the majority of the Hindus, and the southern part, majority of the Sanatani Vedic, and after that they convert into Buddhism. But the northern Afghanistan full of the majority of the Zoroastrians. So we can say that Islam is the totally groups of the vagabonds, groups of the criminals, if they are following the teaching of the Muhammad as Muhammad did. 100% following of the Muhammad is the resultant of the Islamic terrorists throughout the world. This is why the Syria was captured by the Islamic goons, Islamic invaders, and converted them into the Muslims in the Syria, though the Syria was the Christian majority country. Same like the Lebanon was conquered, not conquered, but looted or robbed by the Islamic robbers, Islamic dacoits, Islamic criminals, and converted as a Muslim majority country. Same fate with same fate happened with the Turkey and any other Muslim countries because Islam is Gunism. Islam only defeated by the Spain and in the reign of the Ferdinand, and the last king of the Islamic goon or Islamic criminal was the Moor, who was defeated by the Christian army under the guideline of the Ferdinand and the Queen Isabel. And after that, Islam was removed and Allah force was dragged out from the Spain by the help of the army ammunition. And in India, this Islam is also took not majority till now because the most of the Muslims who were the converted by the Islamic sword till the Aurangzeb period was were so shocked to see that their fathers were Hindus or after that the Buddhists, they were not so cruel and brutal. But after converted them, these all Indian Muslims, subcontinent Muslim, including the Afghanistan, they became the goon invaders, killers and robbers as per the ideology of Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad ideology was not the spiritual ideology, but a perfect political ideology with the brutality and the cruelty. This is why Muhammad sent down so many verses in the name of Allah, which are the certified criminology. So Quran is the book of the criminology. Quran is the book of the vagabonds. Quran is the book of the looters or the robbers. Quran is the book of the criminals. The gangs of the criminal in an organized way known as the Muslim in this world, which are the true Muslims. They are the gang of the criminals. So the Islamic spread of the Islam due to the sword with the stupidity that there is an Allah and Allah created whole the universe, but He created also Muslim and non-Muslims. And Allah made the Muslims, and Muslims will kill the non-Muslims according to Allah wise. So this Allah, the fallacy of Allah, there is no Allah at all, but the fallacy of Allah is more dangerous to the society, civil society. Rather, the Quran and the followers of this book, if they are true Muslims, they are unsocial elements, means unsocial, or the literally we can say they are a certified terrorist. This is why the Pakistan is the center, epic center of the certified terrorist, because they are the true Muslims. Even though Saudi Arabia, they are not terrorists because they are not following the real Islam, which is the Gulism or hooliganism or unsocial activities against the non-Muslims. This is why Muhammad bin Salman abrogated all the hadith, and I would like to pray to Muhammad bin Salman, please abrogate this Quran and return to their golden period when your three goddess and the one God was worshipped by those peoples who were in secular in nature, and there were 360 idols to worship all the pagans and polytheists. Everybody was allowed to come in that Kaaba, but after capturing the Kaaba by this gang of the robbers under the guideline of the so-called Muhammad, this Kaaba was destructed first time, and then this is the first destruction of the non-Muslim monuments of the worship place. After that, it was spread throughout the world and destructed so many temples, churches, synagogues, fire temples, because the Islamic Buddhism allowed the destruction of the idol worshippers. Though Muslims are the great idol worshipper, they smooching the Hajar Aswad or the black stone. They are kissing, which black stone were taken away by the Abdul Tahir Karamati or Abdul Tahir Jannati, and who used this as the pavement for the excreta, or for the release is the natural calls as the excreta or the urine. And after that, these Muslims are smooching or kissing that Hajar Aswad and worshipping this useless Hajar Aswad and useless ideology, which is nowhere for the wellness to any other society, even the non-Muslims and the Muslim women who are the prime hunted by the Muslim ideology or Islamic ideology, and they are also raped by these Muslims in the name of the halala. That is the prostitution, certified prostitution under the guideline of so-called Muhammad in the fallacy of the Allah. Thank you very much.